have yet another Temu haul. They're starting a new campaign, so that's why I'm stacking these up. This is from the influencer site. So this is my influencer haul stuff that they let you pick from their site and send it to you. That's what this stuff is. There's some Halloween stuff too. So I will show you what I found. I have this little plush. I don't even know what they call it. I thought it looked like a naga, if you know what a naga is from back of the day. And he's you know, he's about the same. They had other, I'll put links to this stuff because they'll give me a list of links. It's kind of nice. What does it say on here? Just nothing. But he's got a cute face. Cute monster. So, not bad. They had all different colors and little faces. But this one looked the most naga-like to me. So, that's why I got him. And oh, I got some earrings. These are cute little ghost earrings, and they're really reasonable. $2 something. They have earrings similar to this at Marshall's. I want $12.99. I think they're from Bubble Bar or Sugar or something. But these aren't bad. They're kind of cute. If there's any marks on it. Oh, just a moment. Okay, I had a barking break. We're back now. These are very cute, and they're sort of like Bubble Bar, so I thought they have a lot of really nice Halloween items on there, and it seems like they're getting more all the time and adding, so these are cute. Everything kind of fell down here. Oh, gee. These, I have to get something to show how these work. These are tips for your caulking. Maybe I don't need to show it. When you're doing caulking and construction, and you have a tip that's cut open and you haven't used all of the material inside the caulking container, usually what we would do is stick a big nail down to plug it up. But these are tips that you can just roll down right over the tip of the caulking tube top thing and seal it, and it'll make it'll just seal it up better, probably better than a nail, I hope. So we will try these. We're always sealing something. So these were like super cheap. They have them in all different sizes too. So that's these things. This is, oh, more earrings. These are kind of Bubble Bar too. They are cute skeletons. Very, very cute skeletons. Yeah, none of these are marked that I can see, but they're cute. They're not real heavy, so they should be fine to wear. Cute. And this is one of these neat bags. This is some other earrings. I have a necklace that matches these. No, they're not on here. They're moths. Let's see if I can get it on here. There we go. There you go. They're really pretty moth earrings, and they match the necklace I have already. So let me put these together. The wooden earrings I have that go on these things like this, they don't hold up. I had a pair and they broke. So the wood is very, very thin. It's that laser cut wood. So these are metal. No marks, but they're cute. And I got this cute outfit for my doll. You can see her. Let me move this up. There she is. I got this doll from them too. This dress and this hat is supposed to be for an American Girl doll, but I got it to put on this gal for Halloween. I think she's adorable. I don't like this hat very much. So this might, I just donate this thing. But it's not bad. It's double layer. And I made these little socks for her. But she's a really nice doll. It needs some alterations in the straps, but that's not hard to do at all. So very, very, and this is a Dollar Tree. I think it's one of those headband things that they sell. Don't just tear them off and use them for dolls. I use one of these ponytail elastics to keep them on their heads. So I'm pretty pleased with this outfit. It's pretty good. I gotta look for a Christmas one now. I'm hoping to find an elf outfit for her because I think she'd be a darling elf. And then lastly, I got this, let me move her here. I got this pillow. It's a knockoff of, needs fiber fill in his neck. Not Crate and Barrel. Pottery Barn has a pillow similar to this. I was in their store today, but they were sold out of it. They have it. What does this say? Toyota Mix. I don't know what that is. But it's kind of cool. But they had them in 3 different sizes. I think this is a medium size. Pottery Barn has one. It's cotton, and you just set it, on your couch. It's nicer than this, but it's also a lot more expensive than this one is. So this isn't bad. I mean, it's fairly good sized, and it's just going to sit on the couch. I think his neck needs adjusting. We'll have to take him to a chiropractor because this isn't working very well here for him. No, it's not. So that's not bad. I wish they had spent the extra time and gave him some arms that were loose instead of all stitched in, but I don't know. It's kind of neat. And that's it for that. What I got from them, I think. And then I was going to show you, this is a cool robot that we found at Goodwill today for $3.99. Let's see. How does this go on? It walks. There it is. I will show you. Look at him go. Going right for my earrings. So there he goes. So I will see you later. Bye. Come back here.